Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna show you update on my pomegranate tree which I grow here in the garden, and it grows so well in this summer 2020 year. So was in bloom in June, but well, all the flowers. This is an update. I don't know because it bloom for the first time, and it will not able to produce fruit for the first year. I will see the next year, maybe. I hope will bloom next year, and that's it. But in this year, it grow a lot, just amazing and so vigorous, so happy, and it have almost 2 meters. That is good. Getting big, and we will see when we'll keep the fruits. Next year, yeah, that's it. In winter I had no snow, and it feel very good in my country already. We will see this winter too. So looks like the tree update. So many branches did grow, and yeah, now we are in September, and so looks like in September my pomegranate tree. Well, look forward to see how will grow in the future. Here it have sunny all day, now it's sunset, and the tree looking perfect. And that was a short video, so thanks so much for watching to the end. George was here. Greetings from Moldova. If you want, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notification when I posting new videos. So have an amazing day. Bye bye.